Good evening, students. How are you all? Fine. Okay, very good. Students, now is the session of business studies. As usually, it happens at this time every day. Okay, as I have told you that I will teach you the part B of your syllabus, and Praveen sir will be teaching you part A of the syllabus. The first chapter of part B of the syllabus is sources of business finance. Already I had started in the previous sessions. Okay, in video session as well as in online session. And while starting that chapter, we had explained, we had discussed about the meaning of business finance and the requirement or needs of business finance in an organization, and the nature or features or characteristics of the business finance. Okay, students. So in today's session, we are going to discuss about the types of business finance and the sources of business finance. Okay, on the basis of time, there are three types of financial needs of a business organization, or you can say on the basis of time there are three types of business finance. Okay, the number one, the first type of business finance is called long-term finance, that is required by a business enterprise, by a company, by an organization for a long period, usually 10 years and more. So if the finance is needed for a longer period of time, for more than 10 years, then it will be called long-term financial need of the business enterprise. And this long-term finance is needed, is required to purchase the fixed assets of business. What are the fixed assets of business? Such as heavy machines, plants, lands, buildings, etc. In order to purchase and procure them, the finance that is required will be called long-term finance. Okay, and there are several sources through which the long-term finance can be obtained. We shall discuss them later on. The second category of business finance is called medium-term finance. Medium-term finance means the requirement or the need of finance in a business enterprise ranging from 1 year to 10 years. That means more than 1 year but less than 10 years. Okay, this finance in fact is required for modernization, for expansion, for replacement of machines, for researches, for development, for mass publicity, etc. This type of finance is required. And like long-term finance, there are so many sources also through which the medium-term finance can be obtained. So long as the third category of business finance is concerned, it is called the short-term business finance or the short-term business needs. This short-term business finance means the requirement of finance The need for finance not for more than 1 year. Okay, and this finance in fact is required to purchase raw material, to make payment of rent, wages, or to meet the expenses of day-to-day operations of the business. So these three types of short finance are required in a business enterprise, which are called the long-term business finance, the medium-term business finance, and the short-term business finance. Okay. Now, what are the sources of obtaining business finance? There are so many sources through which the finance or capital can be obtained to establish and run the business. Whatsoever sources are available in the economy, they are broadly classified into the two categories. What are they? The first category is called owner's fund, and the second category is called borrowed fund. So long as owner's fund is concerned, it refers to the finance or the capital invested by the owners of business themselves. Such as if a businessman, if a business enterprise invests his own capital in the business, then it will be called as owner's fund or owner's finance. The main sources of owner's funds are equity share, preference share, and retained earnings, or that is called flying back of profit. So long as the sources of borrowed fund are concerned, they are debentures, public deposits, they are loans, trade credits, etc., etc. So you can say there are basically two categories of business finance, which are called the owner's fund and the borrowed fund. Okay. Now, what are the different sources of obtaining the three types of business finance: long term, medium term, and short term? Let us see. So long as the long term business finance is concerned, the main sources of obtaining the long term business finance are equity share number 1, preference share number 2, debentures number 3, retained earnings or flying back of profit number 4, and specialized financial institutions number 5. Through all these sources, an organization can obtain the long-term business finance. So long as the short-term business finance is concerned, its important sources are preference share number 1, debenture number 2, public deposits number 3, and commercial banks number 4. Okay. So long as short-term business finance is concerned, its important sources are commercial banks, trade credit, and other sources which provide the short-term finance, which fulfill the short-term financial needs of the business enterprise. So these are the different sources through which the long-term, medium-term, and short term financial needs of an organization can